My name is Kyle, and we have this big plane here. We're gonna assemble it because its name is the Antonov 222 Mariah. Comes with a small plane. Look at it. Here, look at it. It's an airplane, spinning airplane, and this airplane comes with this big plane. It's a small fighter. It's very small. Okay, means we're gonna assemble the plane. Okay, guys, we're gonna assemble this and gonna put the fighter just there for now. Leave you there for now, and we're gonna fix this. Okay, this is actually the wheels. We'll go there later. Means okay, guys. Let's start. First, we'll put the wheel right there. Okay, guys, and then we'll put the plane down. Okay, we'll just remove those two for now. Okay, we're gonna put the wings on that section right there. We're gonna put them right there, not through the red dot, right? The red sink. Okay, I got to build it. It's actually a Lego plane. I built it, and it was like this, but it got destroyed. That's alright. That's just the jet engine. I get to get the engine. Wait, guys. Just broke. I'll fix it. Just right here. Okay, and then I'll fix this big plane. Fixing it. Okay. The hole right there, that's what you have. That's where you're gonna put it. Wait, it's not like that. Yes, right there. It's gonna be right there. Okay, we have the wings now. Then we're gonna put the small plane there now. Now it's time to fix the tails. We made it. It's the Antonov 222 Mariah. The world's biggest plane. Guys, it's like a big... I can't fix the nose. It broke, look. This can open actually. This can open. Wait guys, I got to get the clay. It comes with clay. We can make whatever. And we'll add the clay just right here to hold the thing. And there. That's the thing in there. You can't put the plane just stuck in there. There's just nothing there. We're gonna fix it. Okay guys, this is the it's the this is the gasoline thing. It will go right here, and then it will put here. Then it will go on the wings. Both wings. Wait. Okay, guys. And this is where it will stay. And then this enemy fighter right here is actually a small plane. I made it, and it's with clay. And I also using my tools. Toy tools, like the toys, and I also made this. It's just the American fighter. Its name is the P-40, P-47 Thunderbolt. And then guys, this is a big plane. It's this big. Oh, okay. Bye guys. Subscribe. And bye. I have to refix this.